In the depths of the deep blue sea, where wonders of the ocean roam free, a coloring book with tales untold, of fish that are so lively and bold. Find my ocean life coloring book, let your imagination soar. Color salmon and trout and so much more. Oh, let the ocean fill your heart.